From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for April 5th, 2017. In just a moment, we'll be taking a look at the AUDUSD, the Australian dollar, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. But first, before I begin the analysis, it's very important for me to point out that in about 15 minutes from the recording of this video, we have significant news out of the US with ADP non-farm employment change data. That could dramatically change the analysis that I'm about to give you, but keep an eye on that news and see how it comes out for the US dollar in just a few minutes, and maybe then we can look for some more confidence with this trade. Starting here on the daily time frame, I really just want to focus in on the purple shaded area towards the top of the chart. Along that purple zone, you can see I have some blue circles. You can see a blue circle here, resistance. You can see a blue circle here, resistance. And even on the far left-hand side of the chart, the blue circles show support around that purple shaded area. So we know that this purple shaded area right around the 75.85, 76.05 level has been a historical trading decision zone where market has made a trading decision to buy, sell, enter, and exit. So we want to potentially make a trading decision there as well, 75.85, 76.05. While we're underneath it, it more predominantly becomes an opportunity to go short as a resistance level, just like it was here and just like it was back over here on the left-hand side. Let's go ahead and zoom it in one time. Let's go ahead and go in two times. You can see again, there the market is holding underneath that resistance zone right into 75.85. Now, if we didn't have the news coming up in about 10 to 15 minutes from now, I might go ahead and place this sell entry right there at 75.85, but I'm going to wait to see what happens with that news. If there's no dramatic change and it comes out right on forecast, we'll put it, we may go ahead and put the short in right at 75.85. If there's a significantly positive move for the US, we'll try to sell it as close as possible to the purple shaded area. If it's a negative move for the US, if it's a sell-off of the US dollar, it's likely that we look for the breakout above this purple shaded area. So we want to watch that and make sure we get in the appropriate direction based on whatever that news comes out in just a few minutes from now. Our risk or stop loss would go just above the 7600 level, likely closer to 7620 or 25, and we look to go short at 75.85, targeting first off the yellow shaded area. Of course, that becomes our first target because that's our closest support, and our secondary target becomes the green zone all the way down here at the bottom. So focusing in on this purple zone, watching the news coming up in 10 to 15 minutes, looking to go short from the purple zone down to the yellow and the green zone as our targets. The risk, of course, is the break back above 7600 and the turn back higher into the mid to upper 7600s for the Australian dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.